Hello YouTube. Welcome to New to Start channel with me where yo Saputra. Today, I want to share about how to log into your WordPress site. It is so easy and just a couple steps. Before we go, you can subscribe to our channel by clicking subscribe button and clicking the bell icon to get notification when we are uploading new video for you. Now, let's go back to our lesson. There are two ways that you can use to log into your WordPress site. First, you can go to the https://yourweb.com/wp-admin, or you can go to https://yourweb.com/wp-login.php. Now, let's try to log in with the first method. Type your domain name .com/wp-admin, then press return. After that, you can input your username and password. Then you can click Login to go to your WordPress admin dashboard. To log out, you can click on the top left menu that usually sign with Hadi, your email. Then click Log Out to log out from your WordPress admin. The second method is using domain name .com/wp-login.php, then do it like in the first method. Now you are done. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave your comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get a ton of video tutorials every day. It's free, just click subscribe button, like, then click the bell icon to get notification when our new video is published. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.